This is Brad. He came in with terrible sciatic pain, radiating from the right side of his hip through his bottom down his leg, both when he was sitting, standing and lying down. This is very, very common with sciatic pain. So Brad's come in acute. Now explain your symptoms at the moment, Brad. You couldn't sit in the chair at all over there. You were leaned right over to the left side.
Yeah, like even getting in and out of the car is a killer, and sitting there, lying down.
So you can kind of see he's trying to get off that joint. He's not really putting all his weight on this right hand side. You can't see much of these tracksuit pants here, but you can see a fair bit of those. He's really kind of leaning over. So you're saying the pain's specifically right in that spot there?
Yeah, that's where it all catches.
Yeah, when it catches. There's a little patch of fluid over that sacrum. It's tender there, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
I think this is a sacral problem. That kind of general list over to one side, that's coming from the fact that he's trying to get off the nerve pressure. Now if you have a look at the iliums, it almost supports what we found in there, that there's not a great difference in the obturators. The measurements are slightly different, but not terribly. Even the sacral rotation is not that different. But if we go to the lateral view, yeah, when we see the lateral view, you can see that very thin disc through there. But definitely that's where the nerve irritation's coming from. So we'll go ahead and adjust that. Alright, now what we need to do, Brad, is we need to adjust your spine from here, right on that point.
Yeah, that's pretty sore.
It's pretty sore, yeah? Alright. So a really specific contact there. Straighten you out a little bit. You're going to be careful not to rotate you too much. I'm not going to get much weight on you, so don't worry about this leg coming up. But I am going to kind of bring your whole body over a little bit. Keep you straight. I'll give this a little push in a minute. You can use my hands if you like, but just try and get up sideways. Bring your feet forward. That's it. Now even with that little adjustment, you should be able to get a little bit more weight on it. But first of all, get some movement. Stand up and have a walk. See how he's balanced now, and he's got his weight even through both legs. His right shoulder's still up a bit, which shows that he's still conscious of trying to keep weight off. But he's balanced now, he's got weight through his both legs. So is that what you said, Brad, that you felt a bit more weight come through your legs?
Yeah, it's sort of getting even rather than trying to take the weight off that.
Cool, good. Come and have a seat, mate. You can see already, you can see the balance come back. See, he's got more of the weight on the left side on the actual chair. Do you feel like that, Brad, that you got more weight on that right side?
Yeah, falls my left butt cheek a bit now.
Pardon? Feels more even. Yeah, that feels heaps better, mate. Right. So just stand up without using your hands. Okay, that's great. And walk down to the drink machine and back. Okay, as you can see, he's very comfortable now. He's just walking fluent.